Today we're going to answer, is it better to get your wheels fully refurbed and powder coated,
or try and do it yourself?
Exactly. So, Subaru, obviously the lovely Subaru here. No, this was obviously the Celerio. Subaru's not got wheels on, therefore I had to borrow someone else's car. But we've got some nice chunky tyres, little set of all-season Nankang AS6s or something, or AW6s. So they should be much better than the really thin-walled wheels that are on there at the moment. So these are going on. But that's not the piece we're trying to do ourselves, because none of us are qualified for that. I don't think we're qualified for anything either. But so what we've got here are the wheels from the Subaru. You can see they're kind of this bronzy orange colour. Well, they're going Subaru Gold. That's the colour I prefer. That's the colour I want them to go. So that's what we're going to do. But I'm going to get these powder coated, whereas the wheels on the Mini, not those ones, but the
other wheels that are currently
the OZs,
yeah,
they're going to go gold as well. But we're going to give them a go of painting them. So we're going to use wet spray paint and see how it goes. Whereas these are going to get powder coated. So you can see at the moment, they're I didn't paint a huge amount for the wheels anyway, but they're a bit scramped up and chipped paint and stuff like that. So what's going to happen is they're going to get cut back, clean, tidied, rebalanced and everything like that, and then powder coated. And then the new tyres will go on. That should be really exciting.
Yeah. So, going to load those up into the Mini so I can take those now. And then at some point when the weather's better, we'll get around to actually showing off my wheels and how those ones will go. So, hopefully some point between whenever we need to pick these up, we might actually have some good weather to get that done.
Fingers crossed, because I'm really interested to see the differences.
Yeah. I just want to get the other wheels back on my Mini as well.
Yeah. I feel like we know that the powder coating is going to be better, but considering the powder coating is like 360 quid.
Yeah. It's how
much better.
How much better it is.
So
basically,
let's see if we can do a good job, and I think we will be able to. So we're going to get these on. I'll get these in the car. George is going to be super amazing and take them to where we're getting them done, which is A1 Alloys. You'll see him at some point dropping them off and everything like that, and then we'll hopefully come back and we're going to be taking and fixing the OZs, making them beautiful and gold to go with that beautiful purple.
So yeah, let's go on loading these up. Okay, yeah, that's the wheels all loaded up into the Mini. Obviously, no need for an SUV or any of that stuff these days. You don't even need an estate like that. You can fit everything into a Mini just fine, and it's easy to park as well. So, don't understand the point of all these big cars myself, but oh well. Yeah, let's go and drop these off to A1 Alloys, and then I suppose I've got to get on with my ones. So yeah, let's get driving over. Okay, yeah, that's the wheels all dropped off, so time to get back, wait for some better weather and get on with my ones. So let's jump forwards to future Matt and George. Well, future me and Matt, who isn't with me right now.
So, as you can see, we are doing a bit of a voiceover sort of thing, but we've taken the wheels off Mini and we have covered them up ready to be painted. And it's now time to apply some primer. So we've gone with self-etching primer. And all we need to do is make sure we get a really good coat of this all over the entire wheel. Now, if you're prepping it and you've seen one of our other videos, you want to try and sand down all of the imperfections as best you can. But as you'll see, a nice good coat of primer, and that's what we're going to start with. And you can see we've done all of the wheels. Now it's time to start hitting it with the colour. So we've gone for gold on these as well, because I think that's going to look really nice with the purple. And again, make sure you give your cans a good spray, good shake, and then give them a nice spray over all of the wheels, going back and forth. We probably haven't got the best way of doing it because we're doing it outside, but that's what we had weather permitting and the area we had to do it. If you wanted to make an even better look, well, make sure that you box off your car and do it inside. But actually, they've come out really well. Now, the final thing we do is just hit it with a little bit of top coat. So we're just rolling back from A1 Alloys with the wheels in the back, and you can see already, look at the colour. It's the right colour. So yeah, Subaru Gold's what we went for. They look absolutely stunning. They've fixed all of the bad scuff in and everything like that, so I'm absolutely hyped. And they put the new tyres on, so even better. We're going to get back to Mum and Dad's, get the wheels on, and do a little quick overview, and then we can kind of see how good the ones that we've been painting come out. Look how good they look. So yes, we got the wheels here. They've been powder coated in Subaru Gold. The chunks and chips that are missing have all been taken off. They just look really, really smart. Now, I need to replace these with some black ones because the blue doesn't really suit. But yeah, we've got some brand new tyres on as well. And they're thicker. The tyres are thicker. So it's gone from 40 to 45, which is standard fitment for a Subaru for the 17-inch wheels. Don't know why the other ones had 40s on, but hey, we are where we are. So I'm really excited with these. I really like the look of them. Just really hyped to get them on the car now. So
let's get that done.
Let's get them on. So they're on brilliant, amazing. I really like the look of them. We'll give them a little turn so you can have a look. But I think the colour suits really, really well. So Subaru Gold wheels always look really smart, but I think it works really well with silver. I'm really happy with how it's come out. That's a cap. So yeah, I suppose the advantage of getting them dropped off to someone is you have to wait for the weather to be good or you to be off on holiday. We had a slight little issue where the tyres got put on the wrong way around because they're directional, but A1 have managed to sort that out, so can't hold that against it. Either way, these are on. It's now time to get some better weather, some time off, get the mini ones up and down, and then we can really see the difference and kind of go over pros, cons, advantages, disadvantages of paying someone to powder coat or painting it wet yourself. So I'm really excited to get these on and get some nice little photos out and about. But yeah, let's get the mini ones on now.
Yeah, just need some better weather.
So we're doing a little bit of a comparison of the wheels. They're both after being used, so they're not their perfectly clean, pristine way. But if you give the video about 15 seconds, you'll probably realise why it is and why we're filming this like this anyway. So here's the Subaru, you've seen the Mini, and yeah, not ideal. So just before the video ends, yeah, that's not really how we wanted the video to end, but it's unfortunately where we are. So please let us know what you think was better, whether that was wet coat and, you know, around £50 worth of paint and primer and all the other stuff, or the £360 of getting it professionally powder coated. I think we know which one came out better. Unfortunately, the Mini is no more. We can't do any comparisons of wheel by wheel. So yeah, thankfully George is okay, but it does mean we need something else. Stick around for the next video, but like, comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.